Every day, our health is shaped by far more than the medicines we take or the hospitals we visit. Have you ever wondered why two people living in different environments, following different lifestyles, or having different socioeconomic backgrounds experience completely different health outcomes? The answer lies in the determinants of health. These are the factors that influence our health from the moment we are born until the end of our lives. Understanding these determinants is fundamental in community medicine because they explain why diseases occur, how they can be prevented, and what can be done to improve the overall health of individuals and communities. In this video, we'll explore the major determinants of health in a simple, systematic, and exam-oriented manner. The first determinant is biological determinants. These are the inherited characteristics that every individual receives at conception. They include genetic makeup, age, sex, and heredity. Our genes influence not only our physical appearance, but also our susceptibility to many diseases. Genetic disorders, congenital anomalies, and inborn errors of metabolism are examples of conditions that arise due to biological factors. While these determinants cannot be modified, understanding them helps identify individuals who may be at higher risk of certain diseases and require early intervention. The second determinant is behavioral and lifestyle factors. Many diseases seen today are closely related to the choices people make in their daily lives. Lifestyle factors include dietary habits, physical activity, tobacco use, alcohol consumption, drug abuse, sleep patterns, personal hygiene, and stress management. Unhealthy lifestyles increase the risk of non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, obesity, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and several types of cancer. On the other hand, adopting healthy habits can prevent a large proportion of these diseases. This is why lifestyle modification remains one of the most effective strategies for disease prevention. The third determinant is environmental determinants. The environment in which people live has a profound influence on their health. Environmental factors can be broadly classified into physical, biological, and psychosocial components. The physical environment includes air quality, water supply, housing conditions, sanitation, climate, and waste disposal. Safe drinking water and proper sanitation reduce the spread of infectious diseases, while clean air decreases respiratory illnesses. The biological environment includes microorganisms, disease vectors such as mosquitoes, and animals that may transmit infections. The psychosocial environment includes family relationships, culture, social support, community interactions, and working conditions. A supportive social environment promotes mental well-being and healthier lifestyles. Together, these environmental components play a major role in determining both individual and community health. The fourth determinant is socio-economic determinants. Health is closely linked to socio-economic development. Among these factors, income plays a vital role. Individuals with higher incomes generally have better access to nutritious food, quality education, safer housing, and healthcare services. Education improves health literacy, promotes healthy behaviors, enhances personal hygiene, and encourages timely utilization of health services. Occupation also influences health. Safe and productive employment contributes to financial security and overall well-being, whereas hazardous occupations expose workers to physical, chemical, and biological hazards, increasing the risk of occupational diseases. Housing conditions are equally important. Adequate housing with proper ventilation, sanitation, and safe water supply reduces the risk of communicable diseases and improves quality of life. Finally, the political system influences health through policies, legislation, allocation of resources, and the implementation of national health programs. Effective governance is essential for achieving equitable healthcare. The fifth determinant is health services. Health services are designed to promote, protect, restore, and maintain health. An effective health system should be available, accessible, affordable, acceptable, and equitable for every individual. Health services include promotive, preventive, curative, and rehabilitative care. Strong primary healthcare services play a key role in improving the overall health status of the population and reducing disease burden. The sixth determinant is aging. As life expectancy increases, populations around the world are aging. Older adults are more likely to develop chronic diseases, disabilities, and multiple health conditions that require continuous medical care. Healthy aging focuses on maintaining physical, mental, and social well-being while ensuring access to geriatric healthcare and social support systems. Preparing healthcare systems for an aging population has become a major public health priority. The seventh determinant is gender. Gender influences health in many ways. Differences in nutrition, reproductive health, occupational exposure, access to healthcare, violence, and life expectancy all contribute to variations in health outcomes between men and women. Gender-sensitive healthcare policies ensure that both men and women receive appropriate and equitable healthcare throughout their lives. The eighth and final determinant includes other emerging factors. Advances in information and communication technology have transformed healthcare delivery. Digital health, telemedicine, artificial intelligence, electronic health records, social media, and online health education have improved access to medical information and healthcare services. These innovations continue to influence how healthcare is delivered and how individuals manage their health. The World Health Organization emphasizes that positive health is achieved when individuals are able to develop their full genetic potential while living in a supportive environment, adopting healthy lifestyles, enjoying favorable socio-economic conditions, and having access to quality healthcare services. In other words, health is not determined by a single factor but by the combined interaction of biological, behavioral, environmental, socio-economic, and healthcare-related influences. Let's summarize what we've learned. The major determinants of health include biological determinants, behavioral and lifestyle factors, environmental determinants, socio-economic determinants, health services, aging, gender, and other emerging factors such as digital health and technology. Together, these determinants influence health throughout every stage of life. Understanding them not only helps us explain why diseases occur, but also guides the development of effective public health strategies, disease prevention programs, and health promotion initiatives. As future doctors, recognizing these determinants allows us to treat not only diseases, but also the underlying factors that shape the health of individuals, families, and communities.